Hello everyone, welcome to Columns video. In today, I would like to give you an update on a new feature we added. So as you know, Columns is a lightweight BI, basically allow you to connect your live data for data analysis and building beautiful graph as data story to share. The new feature is basically we are see a lot of users, they are just trying to quickly building graph without analyzing any data. So that means they already know what is the result of the data they have. So asking them to go through, building a Google spreadsheets and upload a CSV is kind of like, overkill. So we bring up this kind of like simple, quick data editing functions. So you can just like, hey, paste some data for graphing, and I can still using the rest of the graphing functions. So let me show you what it means. It basically, when you create a new visual story, trying to build a new story, you have two options. One is basically you're trying to connect, a data source to analyze and graphing. It's basically give you power. The second option is what I'm just talking about is editing data for graph. So in this case, we don't involve the backend at all. It doesn't allow you to connect the data, define schema, time series, whatever. The advanced features is all not existing in this option, but you have graphing options. So let's click this and take a look. It just gives you simple options to editing data, and since there's no graph, so nothing is available. So what we do is basically we open this window and it pop up with the pre-filled examples. You can feel free to just like delete them or just copy data from somewhere. Make sure it's structured data like spreadsheets or something, right? And paste it here. You can just like select the first one and paste all the cells here. It'll automatically grow and fill your data. But try to remember that it's not going to be analyze your data, like I said. So make sure this is the data finally you want to present in your graph. So I have been talking a lot. So if you see nothing needs to be changed, for example, I want to edit this. I want to make it as like 1.8, right? I save it. Basically just close the window for now. It automatically building the graph for you. By default is bar graph. So in this case, actually, you can see you have two keys, right? Which is the product and label. Columns detected that. So you can see the type is a T, basically text. And you have one metric, which is sales, like as a number. So by clicking this button, basically you can, sometimes columns, detected wrong. So you can just collect it just by clicking the button. But right now, we have all right. I want to talk about these few buttons here as well. This button is basically in this graph, do you want to include this key or not? Just click it to exclude it. For example, I want to remove the label. This is like final result, it's combine the keys, right? So I want to remove the label, I can just click it. As you can see, this is the only product key now. And if I, using label, it automatically it actually did some, by default, it just sum up all the values together. So you can have gift and sales for basically breaking down by different keys, right? So coming back to select all of them, and I do have another choices, which is even I have combined keys, I can pivot them. So this is options when multiple keys are presenting. So I can pivot by product. So every product has a unique, the label. So you can see this is a gift, this is a sale. But if I pivot by label, then you can see I get two groups, which means the sale, I have three products is on sale, right? Apple, banana, and strawberry. And then for vanilla, I only for gift I only have vanilla, right? So this is exactly what your data presents. Now if I just edit in data and provide in the third one, for example, I say volume, right? And you can just edit in. And I say this sells like 4 units. This is sells for 3 units, just like you edit in spreadsheets. This is sales for 2.5 units. This is sales for like 5 units, right? So with this, if you need an extra row, you can just like add a new row. For editing, like I said, for pasting, it will automatically grow and hold in your data. So now I close this with the new data. I'm going to see I have the new column now, which is how to say the volume. For pivoting case, we only pivoting one metric. So basically, if I unclick sales, now you can see this is the volume, right? 3. This is the data we just input. And if I select sales is the first one, so it's by default it's only pivot the first one. If I do choose another different one, then you can see this is like basically the sales number. So this gives you choices to see how you want to see the data. For example, I want to see multiple metrics by combined keys now. So then I will cancel the pivot. Then I have like a multiple combined key pivot, right? I have vanilla gift, which has sales and volume, right? So basically this is the way, and next step, you can basically just go to design. As you can see, this is basically give you a very, very quick way to editing your graphing results rather than involve lots of like data analysis step. Yeah, this is the new quick graphing mode we introduced on columns. I hope this helps, and just like normal data analysis process, you basically just skip the data connection, data analysis part, directly go to graphing and share, right? Save and share with everybody, make it public, grab the link, save. Everything looks good, should be. Yeah, I usually like make it narrow so can see the full picture. Thanks for watching thus far, and hope this is helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.